I'm going to show you how you can redeem YouTube Premium code in 2025. Now, you have to go to a special life website. It's called youtube.com/redeem. So just tap in youtube.com and then /redeem like these, right? So youtube.com/redeem and then just tap on enter. Now, once you tap on enter, you'll be redirected into a website that looks like this. Now, you can redeem your code from here, right? So just scratch off the gift card or just grab your code whenever you got it from, like your friend or either from a store, and then you'll have to enter in the code right here. Now, once you enter in the code, just tap on next, and then it'll come in either two ways. It'll come as either a youtube.com premium subscription, or it can come as a Google Play balance, so you'll get money and then you can use that to purchase YouTube Premium. But most of the time, it'll just come as a YouTube Premium subscription right then and there. So again, just enter in your YouTube Premium code right here and then just tap on next. And then that's it. You're done. Your YouTube Premium should be activated now. Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.